Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at some random questions from different past questions like NAPTEP, WAEC, JAM, and the rest of them. So stay with us as we go through them all. Okay, now our first question here says a ladder 13 meters long lays against a wall. If the foot of the ladder is 5 meters from the wall, how high up the wall does the ladder reach? Okay, now this, we are going to represent it a bit. Okay, let's assume this is a wall and this is a ladder. So they say the ladder is 13 meters long and the foot of the ladder is 5 meters away from the wall. So now we can see here we have a right angled triangle. Okay, so now we are asked to find how high it is. So we are looking for x. So here we can apply a Pythagoras theorem. Now, since we weren't given any angle of inclination, we can apply a Pythagoras theorem. But if we're given an angle of inclination, then we would apply a Sucatua rule. So now we apply a Pythagoras theorem, which is that hypotenuse squared equals opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Now our hypotenuse is 13 squared equals 5 squared plus x squared. Okay, so x squared equals what? 13 squared minus 5 squared. Okay, so applying a rule, we have 13 squared, 13 minus 5 times 13 plus 5. Okay, that is giving us an x squared. 13 minus 5 is 8, and 13 plus 5 is 18. 8 times 8 is giving us 64, rather than 4 carry 6. 8 plus 6 is 144. Okay, so this x squared is 144. So x equals root 144, which is 12. Okay, so our x would be 12 meters. So it is 12 meters high up the wall. Okay, now for the second one, it says the ratio of red ball to blue ball is 5:7. If there are 84 blue balls, how many red balls are there? All right. How many red balls are there if there are 84 blue balls? So if we have for this our total ratio, let's look at our total ratio, which is 5:7, or 5 plus 7, which gives us 12. Okay. Now, 7 portions out of 12 gives us 84 blue balls. So 7 for blue balls. Okay, let's say for blue balls equals 84, all right, which is 7 portions. 7. So for one portion or one share, let's look at one share will be 84 divided by 7. 84 divided by 7, let's look at it. 84 divided by 7 gives us 12. Okay, so that means one portion, one share is 12. So for 5 shares, which is 12 times 5, will give us 60. So therefore there are 60 red balls in the bag. Okay, the area of a trapezium with parallel sides 10 cm and 18 cm and height 9 cm. Okay, so for our trapezium, all right, this is 10 cm, 18 cm, and the height is 9 cm. Now, for us to find the trapezium, we have a formula as half A plus B H. Okay, that's the area for finding trapezium. So this gives us area. Area will be 1 over 2 brackets 10 plus 18 times 9. Alright, so 10 plus 18, 1 over 2 times 10 plus 18 gives us 28 times 9. So 2 here 1, 2 here 14. So this gives us 14 times 9. Alright, 14 times 9 will give us 126 centimeter square as our area. Okay, now the next question says solve 3x, solve simultaneously. We have 3x plus y equals 10 as equation 1 and x minus y equals 2 as equation 2. Alright, now simultaneous equation can be solved in two ways. Alright, either we use our elimination method or we use our substitution method. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to quickly use our elimination method since my variables for y are the same. Alright, now this becomes 3. Since they're having different signs, we do what? We add. So 3 plus 4 will give 3 plus 1 will give us 4x. Y plus minus y will give us cancel out 0. Now 10 plus 2 will give us 12. So our x equals 12 over 4, which is 3. Okay, now if our x is 3, we'll quickly substitute here. Let's see, we have x minus y equals 2. Okay, so this becomes x plus 2 equals y. So and our x is what? 3. 3 plus 2 equals y. So y equals 5. Now, we found out that our x equals 3 and y equals 5 using substitution elimination method. Now, let's try substitution method and see if we would get same answer. Okay, now for substitution method here, we'll be looking at 3x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. So making x as subject to formula, x equals 2 plus y. Okay, now we'll substitute this x equals 2 plus y into equation 1. Okay, so this becomes 3 brackets 2 plus y equals, plus y equals 10. Now 3 times 2 is 6 plus 6y plus y equals 10. Okay, so now from here we collect like that. This will give us 6 plus 7y equals 10. Okay, 3 times y will give us 3y. 3 times y will give us 3y, so this gives us 4y. Okay, so 6 going over will give us 4y equals 10 minus 6. Let's go by this again. Now substituting x equals 2 plus y here. This is 3 times 2, 6. 3 times y, 3y plus y equals 10. Okay, now 3y plus 1y will give us 4y. Okay, so 6 going over will give us so this should be 2 going over will be minus x minus 2. So this should be y equals 1, not. So you see, it's very necessary to always confirm your answers. So this becomes 4y equals 4. So y equals 4 over 4, which is 1. Okay, Now substituting y equals 1 into x here, this becomes x equals 2 plus y, x equals 2 plus 1, which is 3. X equals 3. So now you see how our substitution method has helped us in verifying our answer in our elimination method. So y equals 1 and x equals 3. So either ways, whichever method you're using, you should be getting same answer of x equals 1, y equals 1, and x equals 3. All right, now in expanding, it says expand 2x minus 5 bracket x plus 4. Now in this, we'll keep one constant and use the other to open it up. So this we have 2x bracket x plus 4 minus 5 bracket x plus 4. 2 times this will give us 2x squared plus 2 times 4, 8x minus 5x plus minus 5 times 4, 20. So this gives us 2x squared. 8 minus 5 will give us plus 3x minus 20. All right, as our expansion. Now, our next one says if as set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, and set B is 1, 2, 5, 8, find A union B. Now, A union B, union simply means merging of all our elements in both A and B together. Okay, so if we add all our elements together in A, so our A union B would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Now, notice that the numbers are not repeated because they are the same. Now, if we are asked to find A intersection B, now in intersection is simply looking at the number that is common to both sets. Okay, what is common to both of them? Now we can see that the only thing common to both of them, the things common to both of them are 2 and 8. So an intersection is 2 and 8. All right, so in that way you can know what is common to them. Always remember that for your set is always taking reference from the universal set, especially when you're asked to find the complement of your sets. All right guys, with this we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If there be any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on your notification buttons for more updates as we upload our channel on a regular basis. Thank you for staying with us till the end. See you in our next class.